Hi, it's Suzanne from DiscoverChange Limited here. We have just finished a personal branding and online marketing workshop. Just wanted to do a brief video with lovely attendees about what today was like. So Catherine, what would you say about today? What were your main takeaways?
It was brilliant. It was really lively. We had a great range of attendees, which was fantastic. Lots of different opinions and worldviews. But my main takeaway is that I've got lots to offer in terms of my personal skill set, and that I need to just get out of my way and focus on what we're trying to do and use my skills to deliver that message.
Brilliant, brilliant. Thank you very much. Busy, what would you say about today?
I came to the understanding that branding is much more in-depth than the logo and everything. That the branding of your organisation is you, and you need to unfold it all in order to develop your branding. So we went through the different ways in which we could unfold this and then discover and build up our business from that. So it was very in-depth and it was very informative.
Oh, good.
I loved it.
Thank you. Thanks very much. And then we have Mike and Caroline here as well. How would you describe today's workshop?
Yeah, I've been spending a number of years looking at this material in bits and pieces here and there, but I must say I've never seen it all put together so concisely and compactly all in one place. So I must say it was rather like a fast-flowing stream, and I've seen this, but in there were nuggets of real value, of things that I could take away and do, that I was able to grab hold of, and the environment was such to facilitate that. So I've got takeaways, like for example, I know about videos, I know about Facebook and LinkedIn, but put it all together in such a way as putting out meaningful content at the right place at the right time for the right people. That's what I take. Just one takeaway anyway. So yeah, fantastic.
Great. Thank you, Mike. Caroline?
Well, for me as well. So for the first time, and I've spent quite a lot of money on marketing courses over the last 3 years, and in a day, the place I've managed to get to has taken me sort of 20 steps forward. So thank you, Suzanne. So I've got clarity around the conversation ahead of my ideal client, and I've got clarity and feel the momentum to actually put into action my funnel.
Excellent.
For the first time. So yeah, great step forward. Thank you.
Would you recommend this workshop for others?
Yeah, absolutely.
I
know exactly what to recommend.
Great. Thank you very much. Thanks very much.